Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch the Angelic Mutated Fish in Abyss Roblox. So the Angelic Mutation is a legendary radiant variant that turns your standard catch into a glowing masterpiece. And here I'm going to show you the secrets to landing this heavenly fish. So as you see, the angelic will glow in yellow or orange is like this. And here I've already inside the spirit roots. I'm going to try to find the angelic one because I got the one before in this exact locations. So what you need to do, you need to first prepare your radar. To spot the angelic fish, you just need to enable the radar first. Okay, I don't see it around here, so you can always go to the other area and use the radar again until you spot the angelic one. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.